It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power door locks, power windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this truck comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the integrated trailer brake controller, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, including a heated steering wheel. And on the right side, we have our audio controls and voice command. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash by using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, we have the power sunroof button, the rear window slider, programmable garage door opener, some interior light buttons, and a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. A CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, hill descent control, the exhaust brake, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. No slip matting, dual cup holders, and on top of the center console we have the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Starting at the front of the Sierra, we have black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 6.6-liter Duramax Turbodiesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have the integrated turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, the rear window slider, a hard tonneau cover, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. In the box of the truck, we have a spray-in box liner and cargo hooks. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has a power plug-in and 2 storage compartments. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. And we're able to raise these rear seats up with ease for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 SLT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.